name is Nick Butcher. N-I-C-K-F-L-E-T-T-O-T-R. I'll just, put this up on the screen right now. Sorry about my handwriting, it's pretty bad. So, that's him. And I'm gonna make another subscribe video for all my subscribers, after this. And, yeah. So, yeah, that's him. Which way to subscribe is on the screen here. This is a video of, like, this hairbrush thing. And, like, he's like, I need it. And then he gets this gigantic